Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amit Sharma. In this video, we are going to solve a question of linear algebra from CSIR Net Mathematics December 2011. The question is from the topic matrices. So without a delay, let's start. Question is, let lambda and mu be the distinct eigenvalue of 2 cross 2 matrix A. Then, which of the following statement must be true? Option 1, A square has distinct eigenvalues. Option 2, A cube is equal to lambda cube minus mu cube divided by lambda minus mu into A minus lambda mu into lambda plus mu into I. Option 3, trace of A to the power n is lambda to the power n plus mu to the power n for every positive integer n. Option 4, A to the power n is not a scalar multiple of identity for any positive integer n. The following results are very useful to learn in order to solve the question. Result number 1. If lambda is an eigenvalue of A, then lambda to the power k is an eigenvalue of A to the power k, where k is a positive integer. Result number 2. Sum of all eigenvalue of a matrix is equal to trace of a matrix. Result number 3. Product of all eigenvalue of a matrix is equal to determinant of the matrix. Result number 4. Every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. It is known as Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Now, given A be 2 cross 2 matrix and lambda comma mu be the distinct eigenvalue of A. Now, let us take the value of lambda is minus 1 and mu is equal to 1 are the eigenvalue of A. This implies minus 1 square which is equal to 1 and 1 square which is also equal to 1 are the eigenvalue of A square, which are not distinct. Therefore, option 1 is false. Since lambda and mu are the eigenvalue of A, this implies lambda to the power n and mu to the power n are the eigenvalue of A to the power n. This implies lambda to the power n plus mu to the power n, which are the sum of eigenvalue of A to the power n, are the trace of A to the power n. Therefore, option 3 is true. Now, characteristic equation of A is x square minus lambda plus mu, which is equal to the trace of A, into x plus lambda mu, which is the determinant of A, is equal to 0. Now we know that every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. This implies A square minus lambda plus mu into A plus lambda mu into I is equal to 0, which is further written as A square is equal to lambda plus mu into A minus lambda mu into I. Now multiplying A on both sides, we get A cube is equal to lambda plus mu into A square minus lambda mu A into I. Now substituting the value of A square from this equation, we get A cube is equal to lambda plus mu into A minus lambda mu into I minus lambda mu into A, which is further written as lambda plus mu square into A minus lambda plus mu into I minus lambda mu into A. Now take common A from first and last term, we get lambda plus mu whole square minus lambda mu into A minus lambda plus mu into I. Now, after simplifying, we get lambda square plus lambda mu into A minus lambda plus mu into I, which is further written as lambda minus mu into lambda square plus lambda mu divided by lambda minus mu into A minus lambda plus mu into I. Here, we multiply and divided lambda minus mu. After simplifying this, we get lambda cube minus mu cube divided by lambda minus mu into A minus lambda mu into lambda plus mu into I. Therefore, option 2 is true. Now, take A, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix having element minus 1, 0, 0, 1. This implies A square, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix having element 1, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to identity matrix. This implies A square is scalar multiple of identity matrix. Therefore, option 4 is false. Hence, options 2 and 3 are true. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.